Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to make simple projector. With very simple household material we can make a projector at home. We need an old shoebox, paper clip, smartphone, magnifying glass, craft knife, black tape, black paper. Let's follow step-by-step procedure. First, take the shoebox and mark the circumference of the magnifying glass on it using a pencil. Cut a hole in that box. If the interior of the box is bright, stick black paper on it. Align the magnifying lens on the hole of the box and put a tape on edge of the lens. Ensure that your lens is secured properly. Make a stand for your phone. It may be of a cardboard, or you can also use paper clip to make the stand. Flip your phone screen. When light passes through a lens, it includes our eyes, it becomes upside down. Find a suitable white screen. You can use your wall. When you have got a screen, then tune it by adjusting the phone back or ahead in the box. For both Android or iPhone settings to make projector, and for detailed information please follow electricalfundablog.com.